At this moment on Earth, a massive shift is occurring, moving us from the dense, material-focused 3D consciousness into the light-filled existence of 5D. This transition, part of the Great Awakening, offers a path to a reality founded on unity, peace, and unconditional love. However, not everyone is ready to make this leap. Today, we delve into this question: why won't most people shift to the new Earth? The journey to 5D consciousness demands a profound release of old patterns, fears, and ego-driven identities, a process that can be unsettling and, for many, too challenging to embark upon. It requires an openness to deep internal transformation and the willingness to let go of what we've been conditioned to believe about our reality. We invite you to reflect on your path and consider how you can align with the ascension to the new Earth. This video from Spirit School is your guide through the transformative journey from 3D to 5D consciousness, offering insights into the spiritual awakening that is unfolding globally. Don't be left behind in a world transitioning into a new era of existence. Uncover the reasons behind this great divide and how you can ensure your place in the new Earth. Please like this video and follow this channel. This will really help us grow and make more videos. Thank you. Let's continue with why most people won't shift to the new Earth. Transitioning to the new Earth is a great shift that transcends mere physical change. It is a vibrational, consciousness-based leap into a new way of being. Many find it difficult to release the deeply ingrained 3D beliefs and fears that have controlled their lives. This shift requires letting go of old identities, beliefs, and ways of being that no longer serve our highest good. For some, this process is confronting and uncomfortable, leading them to resist the changes necessary for ascension. The journey demands inner work, self-reflection, and the embrace of unfamiliar spiritual concepts, which not everyone is ready to undertake. Dimensions. We must first understand the dimensions we are transitioning between. The third dimension is where humanity has resided for millennia, a realm of physicality, linear time, and ego-driven existence. It's a world of separation, where duality reigns, and individuals feel disconnected from each other and the source. The fifth dimension transcends these limitations. It's a state of consciousness where love, unity, and interconnectedness are the foundation. Time is non-linear, and we live in the eternal now, fully aligned with our highest selves and the universal energy. In 5D, we recognize that we are all one, and our actions are guided by love and the greater good of all. Signs. You are shifting between 3D and 5D. Signs of this shift include an increased sense of unity with all beings, a deep longing for peace and harmony, and a detachment from materialistic desires. You may experience heightened intuition, more synchronicities, and a clearer connection with your higher self. Emotional purging, changing relationships, and evolving belief systems are also common, as you shed what no longer aligns with your ascending vibration. These signs indicate that you are in the process of embracing a 5D consciousness, moving towards a life of deeper spiritual fulfillment. Challenges and how to overcome them. You may face resistance from within and from those around you who are still anchored in 3D. Feelings of loneliness, confusion, and disorientation can arise as you detach from old identities and ways of being. To navigate these challenges, stay grounded and connected to your inner guidance. Seek support from spiritual communities and remember that each step forward is a part of your evolution. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind, knowing that each challenge is an opportunity for growth. Bashar's insights on the shift to 5D consciousness. Bashar, as channeled by Darrell Anchor, offers enlightening views on humanity's transition from 3D to 5D consciousness. This shift, according to Bashar, is about evolving beyond our perceived limitations and realizing our interconnectedness with all existence. He emphasizes the illusion of time and space and encourages following our highest excitement to navigate life's changes. By aligning with our joy and passion without attachment to outcomes, we step into a more harmonious state of being. Bashar's teachings highlight the power of our beliefs in shaping our reality, urging us to adopt a mindset of abundance, love, and unity. This transformation paves the way for a new era of peace and spiritual awakening, inviting us to embrace our role as creators of our individual and collective experience. Dolores Cannon and the Shift. Dolores Cannon, a pioneering figure in the field of regression hypnosis and spiritual awakening, spoke extensively about the shift in consciousness from 3D to 5D. Through her work, she revealed insights from individuals who have accessed past lives and dimensions, highlighting the ongoing process of Earth's vibrational ascension. Cannon described this shift as a separation of frequencies, where the Earth splits into two versions. One remains in 3D, while the other ascends to 5D, or also called the New Earth. The New Earth, a world where harmony, creativity, and spiritual wisdom flourish. In this new reality, we co-create with the universe, manifesting our desires with ease and joy. Our interactions are based on empathy, understanding, and unconditional love. We recognize our power to shape our reality and contribute to the collective ascension of humanity. The shift has already started. The shift to 5D consciousness is not a future event. It's happening right now. Around the world, individuals are waking up to their spiritual nature, embracing love over fear, and seeking to live in harmony with the earth and each other. This collective awakening is a clear sign that the ascension process is well underway, leading us toward the manifestation of the new earth. Don't be left behind. In this transformative era of the Great Awakening, it's crucial to remain open and receptive to the changes unfolding within and around us. By choosing to engage with this process, you align yourself with the highest possibilities for your life and the planet. This video from Spirit School serves as a signal, guiding you through the ascension process and inviting you to be an active participant in the creation of the new earth. The time to awaken is now. Thank you for watching, and please follow us and like this video. Leave a comment on what you'd like to see next.